by my rules kule game ngiyabadisa amabeleka ngiyabatshela amabefake ngi old school ngikhonza ukubhekla gqema ngamaphansi mangibhayizela ayisuke mayisuke mawumshana never delela umuntu omdala kuzuzukhala kumina abantwana abancane bafinyila masula ngempama ngimdala le game and nge-underground where we speed tight shit nama-underdog thole lebesile kuvele andebovu moto ubheka ngapha kuvele itranke skoshi kanti mofuna ukususa wasinodla mungibuza kwi-ex yama ngakutshela umakhosi and mazobhekla nami wazilirikali ngithathi wena wazuza nkosi extortion sipheze uhleza khipha ngathi wenza i-abortion thatha loleke mongathi ngidliswa ila-fortune tuzela bifo kanti uphethe exposure caution be aware ungadlali ngomlilo udlalele fere kule ndawo eyiflammable wait a minute ufuna ukumesa nathi game on mawuzazi ukuthi ucapable usiphezo Mr. Chosen kule game sebangena sabaqini sibabangela ithabuli batha sikhokhulu on fire eclaxing inkinga bazamile ukungibhekisela phansi njengeredo kamagriza bengithena down in case wondering I just step on it begging a pants I'm on top of my game